Okay, so it is much like we did yesterday, okay, but some of it is going to be a little bit different, and if you're on Canvas or what have you, it's assignment 11, okay? It should say ID 11 up there in the right-hand corner. Okay, so draw your little line down, and we need to find some factors of 24. So on your calculator, you're going to type in 24, and we always check it by divided by 2. And just for we remember, our magic numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, and so 24 divided by 2, you're going to get 12. 2 is a magic number, so we can stop there, but the 12 is not, so we're going to keep going. So you say divided by 2, and you get 6. 2 and 6. And then 6 is not a magic number, so you got to keep going. Divided by 2 is going to be 2 and 3. And then 18 is going to be the same way, so 2 and 9, 3 and 3. What's up, man?
Good night, man. Chilling, man.
Okay, and then we got to find our matches. So we got a set of 2s, a set of 3s, and that's it. So our number on the outside is going to be 1, 2, and 1, 3, which is really 6 because you multiply them.
Miss Henny, my phone's finna die. It's on 1%.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my work though.
All right. The video will be on there later.
And I need a drink.
Okay, thank you.
This one,
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. What do you want? I just put a bunch in here. It's not really cold. The only thing that's cold is a Gatorade.
Yeah, we do.
You want a Gatorade? You want a white or red?
Right. Thank you.
There you go. Okay, so we say 24 divided by 6 is 4. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, now, yesterday you would just write down the letters. Okay, we're not doing that today. Today we're going to pull out the letters like we're supposed to. Okay, so you always look up here and you say, well, what is the smallest amount of n's? So this guy has 5 n's, n to the 5, and this guy has 3. So you can only pull out the smallest amount. The smallest amount then is going to be 3. So you're going to put an n3 on the outside. Okay, well, if he had 5 and I took 3, how many does he have left? Well, he's got 2 left. He had 3 and I took 3, so 3 minus 3 is going to be 0 left. And so if it's n0, you don't write n0, you just don't write anything. Okay, and then we put all of our signs back down. Okay, you always take the smallest amount of n's and you pull them out. Okay, so let's look at this one. So we draw our line down. And we got 2 and 25. And 5 and 5. 35, we got 5 and 7. And that's it. Okay, and so we got to find our matches. Well, our matches is going to be a 5 and a 5. Okay, and so a 5 is going to go on the outside. And we say 50 divided by 5 is 10. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, and then now we can look at the k's. Well, so this guy's got k to the 2. And he's got no k's. If they were, they would be right there. So the smallest amount of k's that we can take out is none. Okay, that's the smallest amount is none. And so we're going to put our k's back to where they were and our signs back. Okay, draw your line and start your factoring. So I got 2 and 10 and 2 and 5. 36, I thought it was gonna be 18. Yeah, 2 and 18. 2 and 9. 3 and 3. Okay, and so we gotta find our matches. So I got a set of 2s, and I got another set of 2s, and that's it. So on the outside, I got 2 for the red ones, and another 2 for the blue ones. Okay, well, 2 times 2 is really gonna be 4. Okay, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Okay, what is the smallest amount of b's I have up here? Well, here I got b, or b to the 1. And over here I got b to the 3. So the smallest amount is what we can take and pull out. And so that's going to be b to the 1. Okay, well, if he had 1 and I took 1, he has none left. If he had 3 and I took 1, he has 2 left. Okay, 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. Okay, and then you can put all your signs back in there. So it's just going to be 1 minus sign. Okay, 7. Draw your little line down. And we got 2 and 40, 2 and 20, 2 and 10, 2 and 5. And for the 56, I got 2 and 28, 2 and 14, 2 and 7. Okay, and so we gotta find our matches. So I got 1 set of 2s, another set of 2s, and another set of 2s. So our number on the outside is really gonna be 2 times 2 times 2. 1 blue, 1 red, 1, what the hell color? Purple. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So 8 is going to go on the outside. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 56 divided by 8 is 7. And then we look at this and say, well, what is the smallest amount of x's? Well, this guy has x to the 2, and he's got x to the 1. Okay, so the smallest amount that we can take from both would be x to the 1. Okay, so he had 2, I took 1, he has 1 left. He had 1, I took 1, he's got none left. I don't know what kind of sign is in a minus. And we put the minus sign back. Cross off number 10 before I forget. So number 9, we start our factoring. We got 2 and 3 and 3 and 3. Okay, so we find our matches, which is just a set of 3s. Okay, so on the outside it's going to be a 3. And we got 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, and we say, well, what is the smallest amount of x's that I can take from each? Okay, well, this guy has x to the 2, and he's got no x's over here. So the amount that we can take from each is none, okay? Because you pick the smallest amount of x's, so you can't take any out. So you're going to put all of the x's back where they go. So we got x squared, and then you need to keep all your signs.